Product is good, but was little disappointed that there was no door alarm installed. Space is good for food and vegetables, ideal for small family. Chilling is super cool. Superb product. Value for money. Nice. Excellent performance, Samsung is best. Excellent refrigerator thanks to Amazon. Wonderful color, like it very much. It's not a light violet color, it looks like a nice dark navy blue color. I ordered this product at the 7th of April and got this delivered at the 11th of April. I have purchased this on very attractive price 22,550 and got the 2000 cash back offer on Citi credit card. Final amount 20,550 rupee. Now come to the product. Overall, I and my all family member are very happy with the features and look of the ref. The best feature what I like personally is power cool and convertible freezer to freeze. Thanks. Nice product. Very nice product. Loved it. Product was good as aspects, but I have little bit doubt of monitor controlling panel sheet was pressed. Overall good delivery on time. Thank you Amazon. Satisfied with this product, just have heating issue and nothing. I am happy that I have put my money in this. If you want 253L fridge in this range, this is best with beautiful color. Delivered by Amazon on time and it's a good product, working nice, but the color Amazon is given different, which I ordered is different, but satisfied. There is no light in the deep freezer. And the fridge is more spacious for 3 people family. Fridge delivered on the 11th of April 18, no installation done till the 18th of April 13, let's see how much time it will take to install. I bought it at 23490, 10 years warranty, so it cost me hours. 660 per day. I lost 13 rupees. 20 till now. Will update further proceedings. Now it's a third day, loss rapidly increased to 19 rupees. 80 now. Hope Amazon can understand this. On third day fridge got installed. This product is awesome. I bought it at 23,450 with 1,750 cashback will be received in July. This is a convertible fridge in which you can convert freezer into fridge. Superior quality, easy to use, touch display panel, perfect for. I got the deal at 18,000 after exchange plus free extra year warranty from Amazon in Great Indian Sale only. Higher and Samsung gives convertible feature at low price. LG also provide these feature but for higher end refrigerator. I like inverter compressor will run on home inverter convertible FEA. One of the best refrigerators out there. For a medium family of 4, it suits all my needs. Bought it on Prime Day and got it for massive bargain. The smart freezer converter is a saver when you need extra space. The color is not as purple as it seems on Amazon, it's much darker. It's actually navy blue, which is better than the purple shown as well. I bought this fridge till there is no complete. Huge storage capacity, energy efficiency is good. The convertible 3 inches one provides the ultimate in flexible storage. Easily convert your freezer into a fridge to create up to 88 liters of space for all of the fresh food you like or need to store in different seasons or for special occasions. Nice quality. Samsung is best. Jube V Fataful. Good, I'm happy. Click link in description for more reviews.